Hello everyone. On today's video, I'm gonna make this yarn wrap wall mirror and this pom pom throw pillow. So these are the yarns that I'll be using, and I found this wall mirror at a local store. It's made out of metal, and I started out with it's a taupe color. So all I did is I took the yarn and I went in circles to see how many times I want to go around. That's the way I'm going to measure it. And then I started by going under, over, under, over. And you're gonna do the same step with all the yarns. So I did the first row. Now on my second row, and I'm gonna go the opposite. On the first row, wherever I went over, on the second I'm gonna go under. You see here? And you're gonna repeat the same step with all the colors. Every time you go into a new row, you're gonna do the opposite of the row you did before. So here I'm starting with this orangey terracotta color, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So now we're gonna turn the mirror on the back side, and all I did is I tie all the yarn together. I try to, wherever I started, I try to finish. That way it's easier to wrap the yarn at the back. And here is the finished wall mirror. And for the second idea, I bought this throw pillow and then this pom pom garland. And all I did is I stitched the pom pom garland all around the edge of the throw pillow. And now I took a piece of yarn and I went in zigzags, and I measure and lay out how I want the zigzag to run. And then I cut 3 pieces because the yarn was not thick enough, and all I did is I made a braid, so it's thicker. So I use some head pins to hold the yarn in place. That way I know it's gonna stay when I start using fabric glue to glue the yarn on top of the cushion. And now I'm going to use this fabric glue and glue the yarn in place. Here's the finished throw pillow. I think the throw pillow was $2. The pom pom garland was $2.69. So for what, $7, I did a throw pillow. For the other idea, I got this planter and I don't like the color. I want it to be darker. So I used the Waverly antique paint and I painted it because I want it to be darker. But I don't know if you've seen the videos that I've done before and use this paint. I like to paint and remove the exit or wipe it with a paper towel because I like the color better. So I painted the legs, but the legs I did not wipe the paint because I wanted the legs and the top trim to be darker. And here's the finished planter. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.